Here's a 2007 Honda Fit Sport. Sport hatchback, 5-speed, 4-cylinder, VTEC, single overhead cam, one owner, 30,000 miles, power windows, locks, cruise, tilt, AC, ground effects, rear hatch spoiler. This is in very nice shape, very well kept. Has a little axle back, exhaust, everything, all the stock parts are with the car. Let's take a look on the inside. As you can see, CD player, all your controls for the heating and cooling, power side mirrors, as you can see, power windows and locks. Interior is very clean. These seats in the back actually fold down very, very flat, so you can get room all the way up into the front seats. Let's go for a little spin. Nice smooth sound, nothing crazy. There you have it. There's the mileage, 34,000 exactly. These are the hottest used cars on the market. This is the right color, the right equipment. You can get 42 miles per gallon. Give me a call, 413-886-9799. Ask for Tony, and we'll set up some kind of appointment. Thank you.